Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. You're joining me on October 22nd or October TUTU, which basically means this morning I am donning the TUTU for Parkrun. Last minute decision. I kind of wanted green, but now I look like Big Bird a little bit. But yeah, anyway, if you're unaware, on any dates with TUTUs in the date, so January 22nd was the last time I was here, parkrunners like to wear tutus. I did not, so I've come back to the scene of the crime to put on a tutu and have some fun. I like at least two people that are going to be happy that I'm wearing it. Not gonna lie, I feel a little pretty. All these slits in it, like literally, I think there's four, at least three, and I don't know, they just always expose my legs. They're obviously like speed slits.